Let's talk GAXY. We are back with another GAXY video, Galaxy Next Generation. We spoke about this company quite a few different times on this channel, but as of the last few days, the last week or so, we've been getting asked a lot more and more what is going on with GAXY Stock. This is everybody in the stock market community, investing, day traders, you name it. People are interested in this stock because it's been on such a run and now it seems to be crashing down. If we just take you straight into the stock price here, we're going to look at it. It was at 0.010. So this was literally a penny stock, and this rocketed up over 200%. And we saw some nice highs of almost 4 cents a share. That's quite crazy to say that's a high 4 cent, but we're talking about a stock with a current market cap of 55 million, an absolute ridiculously cheap penny stock. And yeah, as of the last 5 days alone, this stock is currently down at the time of recording 35%. So we are down 35%, which would seem a huge amount. But for penny stocks, this is quite normal. They are extremely volatile. To shoot up 200%, you're going to have to expect a pullback at some point. This has been quite a pullback, okay? And this is a lot of volume being traded. A lot of people are selling their GAXY shares right now. Maybe they went into this company as a pump and dump and they're selling. But if you are long in this company and you love what they are doing, then I definitely believe that, you know, the short sellers will get whittled out, and in the end, this company will kind of find some sort of resistance. And then once their next earnings come out, we could see a pump. But I want to go into a bit of news before we jump into what I think is going to happen over the next few days and where we're going with this. Is this crashing? Is it time to get out? Or should you be buying more? We're going to go into all that in just a moment. But let's have a look at this news. Galaxy Next Generation awarded additional purchase order from Boca Raton Christian School. This was out a few days ago, literally a couple days ago, okay? And what this basically is more good news for the company. All we seem to keep getting from Galaxy Next Generation is good news and good news. Now, I've heard a lot of people saying the CEO, we haven't heard from the CEO. And yes, we haven't, but maybe that's because he's working away and getting us all of these different good deals. And I'm sure once he does come out and give some really good news, then we are going to see a big run in this company. We did hear from the CFO though, the London investor. Check out his channel. He done an interview with the CFO, and yeah, a lot of good things come out of that interview. Check that out. It's basically really promising about the company and the things they've got in the pipeline. As we've kind of covered most of that on the previous videos, but if you want to check the interview out, definitely go and do that, because we have had interviews from people, just not specifically the CFO, the CEO as of late anyway. But let's have a look at what this news is. They are pleased to announce that the company has issued a second purchase order for additional 29 classrooms. So this is good. They are starting to build, they're getting these recurring orders. Take Apple, for example. Most people go and buy an iPhone, and once that iPhone, there's nothing wrong with your iPhone most of the time. You just want to upgrade. You want to upgrade your technology. What do most people do? They tend to go back to Apple, okay? They have a very good recurring fan base. And this is what Galaxy Next Generation need to do. They need to get these products out, keep coming up with new technology, and keep basically upgrading. This is what this system can be like for Galaxy Next Generation, and the opportunities for this is absolutely endless. So they've secured another 29 additional classrooms. The purchase order involves a full enhanced classroom suite of products, interactive panels, integrated PCs, mobile stands, interactive learning software, all the things that we've covered in previous Galaxy Next Generation videos. If you want to know more about this company, check out some of my previous videos. We go a lot more in depth about what the company is. This is more of an update type video. But this deal is going to get them 100k in revenue. That might not sound like a massive amount, but once again, I said we're talking about an extremely small market cap, and this one order alone is going to get them 100k, and I believe this is the first of many. Megan McGee, the lady we just spoke about, the CFO, she said, this ad style of ordering is a direct reflection of a growth plan and strategy, targeting existing customers with new product offerings, while simultaneously adding new customers will allow us to keep revenue increasing steadily and the cash flow as we gear up for larger growth due to increased demand. So exactly what we just said. They are targeting customers they already have with these new products, but they're also in the meantime building new customers. So they've got that consistent flow from the fan base, the following that they've accumulated, and they can continue to grow and grow. I really do see promising things for this company. And we have heard actually from Gary Lecoy, the CEO. He commented that we are pleased to continue to provide Boca Raton Christian School with classroom technology solutions and products to better equip its teachers and students. The second purchase order is testimony to our value-added products and services and strong customer services. So this is one school here that has already come back for a second order. We could potentially see this roll on and roll on. As they bring out new products, they can introduce these to these schools they already have, and yeah, build up those revenue streams whilst getting more and more revenue streams. So things are looking really good for this company. And yeah, it's just a shame because the share price is crashing. People keep saying, why is the share price crashing? To be honest, there is no actual reason, okay? There's not been any bad news out around this company. You'd actually rather there be no news than be bad news. So people are saying, you know, why is it crashing? Well, if you have no reason for this to crash and the fundamentals are still good on this company, you still personally like them long term, remember, I am not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research when investing. Penny stocks are volatile. Just as much as they go up, they can come down. But if you love this company, and remember, the balance sheet is looking quite good as well, no debt and a bit of cash on hand, and you love their vision going forward, then at the moment, this is selling off pretty much based on no news. Just short sellers because there's a lot of hype around the stock, people taking profits, people getting out because they invested just on the basis of not really knowing what this company was, wanted to make a quick gain, haven't got that. But I really do think come their next financial statement, hopefully we're going to see some good revenue, and then, you know, just as much as this has gone down 35% and may continue to go, it could go up just like that as well. Volatile company, but if you're holding this as more of an investment and not a trade, then I really think that there is a strong potential here. So yeah, why am I selling? Of course not. I'm definitely holding my position, and if this continues to drop, then I'll continue to average my price down. So yeah, that's where I stand on this company. Let me know your thoughts on GAXY Next Generation. I know it's very popular at the moment. A lot of people love it, but also at the same point, a lot of people hate it. Hence, we are seeing big sell-offs in this company. Let me know your thoughts down below, and if you could smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that is of course greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time,